Today we celebrate an historical day for Burgas Airport. We welcome our 3 million passengers, and we invited all our colleagues and our partners to celebrate this together. I'm very touched because this is another big step to pursue our new vision to place the airport in the traveler's heart. It's not a few people who are doing this. Everybody of the company, every employee and all our business partners, together we made it happen.